Hi guys, welcome to Friendly Advice. Guess what I'm doing today? Today I am gonna do a guessing game. So this is a watermelon that I got yesterday. I am gonna guess that this watermelon is gonna be red and juicy and sweet. So let's get started, and I'll let you know why. Because I can predict, because there's this rough patch here. That means it's been naturally, right there, it's been naturally sitting on the floor, and it is ripening naturally, not artificially. So that's why I feel like this watermelon is going to be very red, just like my nail polish, and it's going to be tasty. So I'll cut it live in front of you, so there is no video editing. Okay, so here we go. I usually cut it in the middle. The reason is so I can put it properly in my fridge. So cut it half, and I am opening it right in front of you. Can you please do give me comments to let me know what do you feel about my trick. So here you go. I have cut it. There's no editing of the video. I've cut it right in front of you, and guess what? Here we go. Red watermelon just for you. So enjoy, follow this trick and tip, and have a great job, and share my video with your family and friends. Thank you.